Uh-oh, who did that?
How to mess up a brand new flywheel. Let's go.
I just did. Look at that.
He squeezed it and said, uh-oh.
Yeah, pussy didn't go enough.
Perfect.
That's all the balls I got with that much leverage.
That's right.
Look at that.
I don't like seeing that, Tatro. Is the light on?
Still fine. It's still the same. Needs more motivation.
You're not smacking it.
Who says I'm not?
I want to see you smack it. I definitely want to see you smack
You
it.
may put in the press and do it in the press? Is that what you want me to do?
No.
Well, that's the other way of doing it. Yeah, I think we moved it slightly, but not really. Not really moving it at all, really.
You want me to crank it? Here we go. Oh, it's...
Get its attention. I didn't hit it at all. I slipped on the floor, fell into it.
I didn't look. I didn't look. Out of sight, out of mind. I don't want to know.
And but Justin, the needles moved. The needles moved. Not really doing it.
No, we got like a half line, 1 thou. That's half a line.
It was moving before too, but it's getting there, but it's just going slow. That means we haven't overdone it yet.
What do you say? It's hard to move it and then easy to take it back?
What I don't like is a lack. Oh, there's some in play. The rods are really tight.
Yeah.
Those are not Tatro spec rods, Clarence. That twin cam will be looser. Guaranteed.
Oh yeah, I got 3 motors available, so that's really bad.
Which one needs to be moved more? That one. Yeah, this thing getting me in the balls down here. What is this?
Mm-hmm.
Damn VL parts.
So what is that, lead that you're hitting it with? That's why it doesn't damage the steel?
Yeah. Lots of mass. You want the mass. How come that thing's so far away? It should be over here. You didn't put any lube on these.
I did.
Either.
I did.
Doesn't look like it.
Well, it doesn't matter
Oh, I
what it
broke
looks like.
it. Oh, look at that. Damn thing. It moved on me.
We had a Sportster crank, trying it, and every time we would smack it, the rods would get tighter and tighter until they just fully seized.
Okay, needs another love tap. It's getting there. It's almost there.
I can't watch.
Stop being a little bitch and watch.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Didn't see the thing.
No.
Don't watch the video either.
No, not watching the video.
It's documented.
Not getting much different. Moving very slowly.
Send it. 1 thou.
I don't know which motor it's going into. So.
Mine.
Yours? How much better do you want it?
I want it absolutely flawless. And give it the Tatro weld. Because I know you love welding that crank pin.
No way. It needs to be taken apart and loosen up these
You're
rods.
not doing that, dude.
It needs to be done.
Freaking brand new.
Take that sucker apart and fix it. I don't know why they couldn't get it so damn tight. Okay. One more. Ready? you on that one.
Yeah, so I'll be back.
That's so painful. You want me to undo it?
I don't care.
He doesn't care. Here, Joe.
You recording? Well,
It's recording. God, that's absolutely illegal.
Vaguely. I've only been looking for 20 years, so I'm not in a hurry.
Damn, that's pretty close. I like want that we said. Left side's even nice.